Yamaha brings powerful performance and enhanced protection with the new Yamaha EF3000 and EF3000 boost inverter generators. The new CO sensor automatically shuts off the engine if high levels of carbon monoxide are detected. Clean and consistent power is easily accessible with a 30-amp twist lock outlet and dual 20-amp outlets. The EF3000 Boost model packs an extra punch with electric start and Yamaha's Boost technology, providing up to 500 watts of extra power for 10 seconds when sensing more power is needed for equipment startup. Yamaha supplies reliable power for projects around the house, camping, or emergency backup with integrated wheels, fuel gauge, and noise block sound reduction system for quiet operation. As a leader in portable generators, reliability is never in question. The durable Yamaha 171cc overhead valve engine is designed for longevity, equipped with a low oil warning system that shuts off the engine if oil levels drop, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Reliable power with enhanced protection. Yamaha's inverter generators, the EF3000 and EF3000 Boost.